Hi, I'm Jim Hurd. I own funtooguy.com and I've been marketing temporary tattoos since 1988. Today we're going to begin a series where we compare the common or traditional temporary tattoo that we're all familiar with the high quality paper tattoos that are manufactured in Japan. I think you'll find these comparisons interesting, so I hope you'll check back to see the results as we go through with the various follow-ups. So let's get started. To begin with, we're going to do our application on an ankle, and we're going to clean the skin with an alcohol to make sure that there's no body oils or any dirt or anything there that would interfere with the correct process. Once we've done that, we'll use a paper towel and make sure that the skin is perfectly dry. Now we'll apply the first tattoo. This is the traditional tattoo. They can always be identified by the fact that they'll have a clear release sheet protecting the tackiness of the tattoo. So we're going to put it on the ankle right here. We'll rub that down, and we'll use a dampened sponge to make the application. And now the tattoo has released the backing paper, and I'll slide it off, and we have the traditional tattoo applied. Now I'm going to apply the Japanese paper tattoo, and you'll notice that it has a translucent sheet protecting the tackiness of the tattoo. So we will apply it right below the American tattoo, also using a damp sponge. So from the standpoint of application, there really isn't any difference between the traditional tattoo and the Japanese paper tattoo. But as time goes on, if you'll check back on these, you will notice significant differences. So the backing paper has released from the paper tattoo from Japan, and now we've completed the application of two temporary tattoos of very similar design for comparison purposes. Now you'll notice that the two tattoos are very similar. I'm going to use a little bit of talcum and brush onto the tattoos as kind of a setting agent. This will also eliminate some of the initial shine. It should be noted that the shine will go away. Usually by the second day is when the Japanese paper tattoos begin to look their best and look more realistic. And that'll complete it for today. Now we will continue to follow up. Make note that today is December 7th, 2008. And we'll continue to check back and see how these two are holding up by comparison. So I hope you'll come back and check on the follow-ups.